நீ நானா சூடாகுதுன்றா அவனா மூடாகுதுன்றான்.
Channel will promote in Qatar.
When you drink the tea, how will you express that? Hi guys, welcome back to Vicky's Vlog. Today is Sunday, no? So we friends are we just came together and prepare something to eat. In our team there is a cooker is there. His name is Syed. He'll prepare well. He'll making food good. Okay. Don't interrupt me.
சண்டை ஒரு அளவுக்கு இவன் எனக்கு ஈக்குவலான ஆளா?
We'll go and we'll go and encourage him. Come back.
ஐயோ கூப்புறானே.
Shadow. Show Shadow. This is our Shadow. He's also joining with us. Syed is preparing something. What is that, Ra?
இஞ்சி டீ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Inji tea. Last vlog only we have did inji tea da. So you said inji tea. It is looking like ragi malt. How? So what is this? This is called apalama. Here, don't burn potato.
Ready-made French fries. You will get all this in supermarket.
Everyone preparing French fries. So what is your
Special.
special?
I have one doubt.
What?
Everyone prepare French
நீ எதுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுறீங்க தமிழ்
but Syed only prepare French fries in India. He prepare.
So after frying this, I will show.
after French.
I am preparing French fries.
Okay. What is the special Ra?
Special na, I will put pepper.
Why are you putting pepper on that? Now I am going to put the French fries in
Go
that.
backward.
Ah? Yo, it will.
Busting.
I'll busting. Some sound is coming. Show. Some sound is coming. That is called French fries opening stage.
After frying this, I will add pepper and salt.
That is a special. Hey, that everyone will do da.
What do you do da?
Da pipe muka. Everyone do that ra.
சாப்பிட்டு பார்த்துட்டு சொல்லுங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு.
So he's also preparing. What's your opinion about?
Very good French fries. Then he putting some pepper.
Hey, you.
Pepper in upper of the French fries. That's it.
That's it. Bedshit. Call him Chodargal. So you said that he is the only person who is preparing well in India. How can you say that?
He also make bread halwa with very sweet.
What did I ask? I asked about the French fries. You go for the bread halwa.
Okay, question again.
You said that Syed is only the person who is preparing more and good French fries all over the India. But
No more. Only French fries.
you have knife ra here.
Hey, please place there.
You side level English level. Hey, please sir.
Fix that.
Oh, நீ அவர் வந்து கரெக்ட் வர பண்ணிட்டாரா ஏண்டா டேய் மலேசியன் தமிழர்களே டேய் இவன் லைவ்ல இருக்கானடா. He is Vishal. He is in Qatar. Now he is watching lively promoting our YouTube channel.
Our channel will promote in Qatar. Qatar.
Just asked him what he said.
Yeah.
Hey, what is the special talent to prepare French fries? I am asked that.
Okay.
He said that after the French fries preparing, I just put pepper on that. Simply is that it is a special. Everyone will do that.
Yeah. Of course.
Of course, kakus. Ethna idli?
With chutney.
I am putting mocha joke. You won't stop that. You just make a comma and continue that. What is it? Say what is your talent? What do you
You have
prepare?
to develop someone's comedy.
Otherwise it will make tragedy. Moodit poriya vaayila kuchu utaatva. If you go and shout out means I'll just make a kuchi in what he's preparing da. So he's just making. Hey, hand wash. Did you hand wash? Okay da. Because we should be so healthy and so cautious on. Why answer? எதுக்கு sanitizer?
Oil cleaning.
You're telling that we have to prepare in oil sanitizer.
Before cooking, we have to use hand sanitizer.
So it's just how many hours it is burning da? We're missing ya.
French போனா தான் அவனுக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஏன்னா இது French.
Hey, you are using Kolambu Karandi for tea kalaking da. Kalaking means what ra?
Mixing.
Rotating. Huh? You are using Kolambu Karandi for mixing da. This is enough. That is all sambar Karandi. Sambar
chips in
spoon.
that.
In tea you put the chips
Otherwise the Nora will come.
அது பேர் தானே gypsy.
Hey, excellent ra. The color is so colorful ra macha.
Kesari color.
So finally we have completed the ice. What is that? Iceberg tea. Chaya. What is the name of it?
மசாலா டீ.
Masala tea. So come and show the tea. See the color. He said that is inji tea, but it's looking like what is that? Ragi malt. First we'll try that, man. Okay, wow. Everyone will try that and make not a fun. Give expression on that. There is not that expression.
After 10 o'clock.
When you drink the tea, how will you express that?
ரொம்ப வாசிக்காத.
Hey, it's sudra, hot. Don't hot. It will fall. Mood ready. Okay. First you'll drink and give the expression to the camera.
Out of the world. Top launch. top tracks.
So I'll drink and give the expression. Hey, can we mix this tea to that French fries, ra?
நம்ம ஒண்ணு கேட்டா நம்மள அசர வைக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு பதில் சொல்வார் பாரு.
It will be good, huh? Yeah, va. Hey, pepper come. Kada போடணும்டா tea. Hey, coffee தூள் முக்கா. I just scared, you know.
என்ன மூடு?
Hey, don't put in the tea, da. So where you learn, ra? Where you learn from these things?
Oxford University.
From Oxford University, they'll teach food, how to prepare food.
Hotel Management Department.
Okay, da. How you learned that?
Because I love food, so I love making food.
Avadana simple. I want to express
When
more.
you love something, you want to do that.
When there is a righteousness in your heart, and there will be harmony in your home. That is why you're trying.
Harmony, yeah.
And guitar and keyboard in your home. So and finally we have prepared the French food.
One more time.
One more time, ah. Hey, it will take 2.5 hours, ra. Again, you will make a crispiness. Totally will go down. Just check it out whether it will going or not. Seriya? Nee nana sood agudendra, avanana mood agudendra. To the audience. So you're liking this tea? You like this tea, right? So what are the things you are all things you can feel?
Water, milk, complete. Wait. Water, milk, tea tool, then this yelaka, krambu, idichi.
Again he's doing that. You won't think no one. Just do his work. See, second time is French frying. So again, French is frying. So the color will be in black color, right? So second time, 2 times only, right? If put 3 times, now it will make, it will be like
First time it will cook inside, second time outside.
outside. You only prepared this urlakirangu cutting, huh? No, you just ready-made mix, right? So how can we prepare like this, or in our own production?
That I will show in one video.
We have to invest first.
Production only investment payirvani. Production mean I said how to create ra. So the color is changing. Actually the color is changing like Lokesh. Hey, suttu the both.
Hey man, I'm welding this. Ipa.
Virus radu.
Nippa nippa pillada. We're from hospital.
Come on. Avladha.
Hey, what do you think about the second time is worthifying da? So it will be good or not? Just tell to the audience. I don't know. I'm just exciting about this
It looks
thing.
like a gold color. When will comes like a silver color and goes like black color.
Deshiya Kodi is tricolor. And I just asked. He just hey, varukradhu nada English. I just asked. Second time is frying the French fries. I'm just thinking that whether it will be good or not. How do you say? It will be good or not?
If it is good means good, bad means devil.
Appa nerkonda appa.
I want to tell about this tea.
Yeah. So tea ke vanta marubadiyum. Again you come for the tea.
English.
Yeah, it's a first question.
Yeah, ask him.
Looks like tea that he is saying this is tea.
Founder of Apple.
But I don't think this is a good tea.
This is brown tea.
மதுர வீரன் தானே.
It's prepared rice. Something is doing that. Come closer, macha. Hey, Dilip.
Gold.
It's came under the gold color, so we can give it to Setkar also. So that is what is secret. Putting pepper is a secret.
Mr. Chef, this is not enough for 4 peoples. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And finally, a French fries is ready with the hand of Syed.
But this
Can
is
you please
not
show this?
sufficient to 4 members.
Who said?
Children podva.
Okay, guys, can you see this French fries? It's amazing. It came amazing.
Go back,
and,
man.
Go back.
Not down, go back.
Amazing, excellent, beautiful. Potato chips. Tea thudu saaptiya? Dip in the tea.
அப்படியே போட்டா.
Very hot, man.
Excellent potato chips. French fries. Excellent, beautiful. Whenever you feel, you just try in the home.
Very crispy.
Very crispy.
Crispy.
Crispy. So first we have prepared French fries very good in a very good manner.
Average.
Average. Again we are going to try a prawn pops. Corn pops illada. Prawn pops. Yeah, prawn means eral, no? Eral tanda?
Eral.
Selandiya. So this is the French fries we have prepared. For prawn pops, we need to buy a ready-made. Hey, solra Syed, what is this?
You need to buy a ready-made prawn pops packet.
Prawn
Pops packet.
Prawn pops we need to buy.
Without packet?
Packet illada, packet.
Packet, okay.
So when you buy in ready-made, it will be looking like this.
Heart in shape.
Yeah.
So it will be like we can eat it.
No, directly you can.
We should not. You're trying to take, right?
No. I think that is a continental dish.
இது ரெடி பண்ணிட்டான்டா யோசிச்சு கான்டினென்டல் எதை ரெடி பண்ணிட்டான். So we are going to prepare prawn pops now. So first we need to take at
That
least
is
2
veg or
pieces.
non-veg? Because prawn is
Prawn
coming.
is non-veg ra, non-veg moka கீழ வெச்சா. So veg non-veg கீழ veg.
Center veg.
So once oil இரு நீ தமிழ்ல சொன்னா இங்கிலீஷ்ல ட்ரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்றேன். Once the oil will be so hot, we need to put the prawn pops.
How you will check oil is hot?
Put the finger inside it.
For that I'll just elaborate that. So for checking the oil will be hot or not, we should keep the already burned hand in that. Once he shout means it is ready.
Hey, that is palm oil.
Palm oil.
Palm oil.
Okay, palm oil.
Hey, palm oil, palm oil.
Oh, palm oil. Hey,
What is that?
it is hot or not? It is hot. So hot. Okay, put. One sound is coming. No, that is what making us happy. See.
Go back.
So prawn pops is making.
Hey, slow man.
He man.
Enna will touch you.
Hey, oil will. So can you see that? Yeah. Come closer, man. Cameraman. Once the bright color is coming, then only we can realize that it is prepared. Finally, we can eat. Again, he'll fry. 2 times we can fry. This one.
Again and again. What he is doing?
So again. 2 times we need to fry, right?
Mama, no English.
We should speak in English. Don't movingify. Just speak.
Inside food, after speaking.
Inside food after speaking. Hey, can we mix the egg and any ingredients on that?
No, already everything is mixed. It is ready made. Breadcrumbs, inside prawn will be there, outside masala. On that breadcrumbs for crispiness, everything will be mixed. You should directly fry, take it out, you can eat. I'll open and show inside.
Okay, you can show this now. So once fried.
Hey, speak in English, man.
உள்ள இருக்கிற French fries எடுங்க.
இது தமிழ் தானே? Hey, you said that the prawn pop will get black, but the oil is black now, da. Because
Palm no.
No. Explain complete. See, you said that prawn pop will get black.
Why prawn pop why black?
Super. Vegetables vadikifying. So 3 times you are making fried, so it should be in a dark fantasy color, right? Hey, can you please bring on kinnam da? Hey, gunda da. It's ready. Yeah, I'm a joke to you. It's look like chicken 65 da. It's too oily. Can we if you eat this?
I don't drink oil.
So if you eat this, we can get belly,
No belly.
So excellent preparation by
You can
Syed.
smell prawn smell will come. You smell.
Not a prawn smell.
Farting.
I think smell is coming from here.
No. I don't eat pundu sandal.
Pundu sandala. Okay, just open it and show to the audience. Then only they can realize that. And Jalligandi munji. Unta poi kettam patya.
Where is pops?
Inside prawn, outside pops.
Where is that pop?
5 மணி சங்க ஊதிட்டாங்க பாரு. இல்ல, hey Amanda, I can smell that prawn smell now. No, I can. I'm so scared. Now. Hey, can you please open this and show that the prawn is the prawn will speak now.
Can you please cut the prawn?
Yeah. Open the prawn.
Close.
I can see the prawn. Prawn is inside. So now it's prepared. So now we are ready to use this. Ready to eat. Ready to.
Hey, that is not tissue paper, man.
Ready to eat this. Now this is ready to eat this. First you'll try to give. Finally we are qualifying also. Now it will be good, right? Can I taste that? Hey, I know that.
Hey, he also hot.
Yeah. Excellent.
Please, எல்லாரும் try பண்ணுங்க.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, bathroom is open, right? Making me collecting. Good job.
He is very lucky, man.
It is excellent, and you guys can try this in your home. Crispy. This is also crispy. You say.
Sorry. Okay. Crispy.
So this is so crispy. This is so crispy, and you guys can try it at home and enjoy. Okay.
Wait, no. I will get one thing.
What you go? And if you use this ketchup also, the taste will be so nice. Hey, putra, konjam puttu. Idhula putra, kottanda. Putrana potrana. Da podu. Where is the open maniye le niya. Okay. You opened or not? So see the color. Yanda kaatu koranga. Vandadhula irundhu epama vittukren. And thank you guys. If you like the video, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.
Separate the video and send it to everyone.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.
Please see the video and subscribe.
We'll come back with the next video. We young bulls. Tell guys. We young bulls. We killed by some. Bye.
English is a very funny language. Tomorrow காலையில coming sir. Photo sir. Tick sir. நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் எப்படி சார் இருக்கு?
Shut up, man.